Ben, this is a super machine here. I know this has been creating a lot of, or been drawing a lot of attention, hasn't it, this week? What's so good about it?
There's lots of things really. It's got the B-axis, so you can do angled holes, 8 tools on the back, the Y-axis, deep hole drilling. It's just a very capable machine really.
When you say capable, it's capable of making complicated parts very quickly because you've got a lot of tools, you've got a lot of axes, is that right?
Yeah, so angled holes, obviously that's a very good benefit on a machine. If you just have a look at a part, so this is just the shaft for our, sorry, not magnet.
And how long does that take to machine?
This takes, I can just get a cycle time for you. It takes 6 minutes 48.
What are the operations that you're doing on it?
So turning it with deep hole drilling it. With that we're using the HFT software, which is going to chip the material, so it's an on and off timer, which is helping to chip the material. Then we're picking up on the back, obviously engraving on the front, grooving, drilling, internal thread, threading on the OD, and then ejecting through the ejection port.
That HFT, is that are people interested in that this week? Because I know it's a big thing for Star at the moment.
Yeah, it's been a big attraction really. Obviously people have a lot of materials which are hard to chip, so we've had a lot of customers who are having a lot of benefit from this.
And how many tools in total has this machine got? Without wishing to put you on the spot, Ben, is that something that you'd be able to answer?
Off the top of my head without counting, probably not, but
it is a lot, isn't it? I mean, well, we're over 20, yeah.
Over 20 tools, yeah.
And with the tools, is a lot of them driven and a lot of them fixed? What's the sort of split?
So we've got 6 driven tools on the B-axis, 2 on the top, and then 3 on the side, and then obviously all the backworking tools are driven.
Great stuff. Been getting a lot of attention, has it, at the show?
Yeah, it's always one of the most looked up machines, I think.